One of the most crucial components of any vehicle is often overlooked: tires. Bear in mind that tires are your auto's only point of contact with the ground. Their traction keeps you rolling in the intended direction, and their properties contribute to your vehicle's handling, performance, and fuel economy. Though your stock tires are usually adequate, they ought to be the first thing you should consider upgrading. There are many SUV tires to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best SUV tires from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Continental Cross-Contact SUV Tires. For long hauls in any weather, Continental's Cross-Contact LX25 is a great road tripper for SUVs and crossover vehicles. Designed mostly for highway use with some mild off-road cred, the Cross-Contact LX25 offers a long tread life and respectable performance in wet conditions. The off-road and wet weather performances are stellar. Mostly due to Continental's TAG F polymers and silane additives that contribute to tread durability, improving fuel efficiency, and increasing traction on wet roads. Steering response and balanced handling make for an effortless drive. The wet road performance, enhanced via the 4 circumferential grooves and ridges and outboard grooves, also boost traction in the snow. Collectively, the Cross-Contact LX25 is a solid, all-around performer. Number 2. Michelin Latitude SUV Tires. The Latitude Sport 3 from Michelin is a great option if you drive chiefly in fair weather. Purposely made for high-performance SUVs like the Porsche Macan, this tire will hustle when called forth. It is designed to provide solid traction in wet and dry conditions and delivers excellent grip, handling, and cornering. For the 3rd generation, the Latitude 3 boasts a new tread compound with an asymmetric design that provides better wet condition performance than the previous releases. The sipes are variable in thickness, which helps improve rolling resistance as well as fuel economy. Cornering, grip, braking, and overall traction also get a bump in performance. Considered the best-in-class ultra-high-performance summer tire, the Latitude Sport 3, built explicitly for the burgeoning crossover and SUV market, simply rocks. The bottom line is that these high-performance bad boys are ideally suited for high-performance vehicles. You may not be able to afford a Bentley Bentayga or Range Rover, but at least your ride can have the same shoes. Number 3. BF Goodrich Mud Terrain SUV Tires. It's hard to go wrong with a classic. If you're looking for an off-road tire for your ride, the newest version of BF Goodrich's hallowed off-road tire, the Mud Terrain TAKM3, is a worthy choice. It strikes a nice balance between being aggressive enough for the trail and having commendable road manners. The KM3 benefits from a compound BF Goodrich calls Crawl Tech, designed to enhance traction on rocks and slick surfaces. That compound is molded into a symmetric, terrain attack tread that provides a solid grip in loose, rocky terrain and delivers that control in a wide range of directions and angle approaches. The beefed-up sidewalls prevent snagging, punctures, and lacerations, while the notched shoulders add grip in mud. Wide grooves and lateral notches channel water away from the tire, while mud-phobic bars help shed mud and dirt when powering through at slow speeds. The KM3's thick sidewall rubber, extended shoulder, and 3-ply polyester casing provide excellent puncture resistance and durability. Number 4. Falcon SUV Tires. Intentionally designed for light SUVs and crossovers, Falcon's Wild Peak ET Trail is a terrific option for drivers who want on- and off-road performance. The Wild Peak ET only adds about 5 pounds per tire over the weight of stock tires, but the silica-enhanced rubber compound delivers phenomenal grip on wet roads. The tread design balances low road noise with excellent water clearance and winter performance. These tires provide an impressive combination of control on asphalt and dirt with a minimal drop in fuel economy. The road noise and handling differences, compared to road-specific tires, are also negligible, thanks to the tire's optimized tread design. The Falcon Wild Peak AT Trail tires handle twisty mountain roads with aplomb. They won't match the precision of high-performance touring tires, but they come close. Number 5. BF Goodrich SUV Tires. If you want a great tire that will go just about anywhere, BF Goodrich's Advantage Sport LT is the one. The distinctive-looking SUV crossover standout emphasizes superb handling and responsiveness on the road. The all-season tread has an asymmetrical design with circumferential grooves that help channel water through the contact patch to help prevent hydroplaning. Moreover, the 3D Active Sipe Tech improves traction in rain and snow. At higher speeds, the next-gen equal-tension containment system provides admirable handling and stability. The low-profile tread minimizes road noise and vibration. On top of this, the wide steel belt and spirally wrapped nylon reinforcements add strength and durability on dirt roads. The Advantage Sport LT has you covered if you're looking for a tire that'll keep you comfortable on the way to work but can also handle fire roads on the weekends. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.